This tutorial will show you how to prepare the Lulzbot TAZ 5 3D printer for printing. Turn on the 3D printer. Turn on the main power supply box if not already on, and turn on the printer power switch located on the front of the printer. Next, you'll want to preheat the printer nozzle and bed. Press in on the rotary knob below the graphical LCD and rotate to select temperature. Choose a filament type or choose custom temperature and set your desired temperatures for both nozzle and for the bed. Next, you will be inserting the filament. Unclip and open the filament pinch wheel on the extruder. Remove any existing filament. Put a filament spool onto the holder on the side of the printer and feed the filament through the translucent tube until it comes out the other end. Insert new filament into the extruder, ensuring that the filament is fully inserted. Close and clip the filament pinch wheel on the extruder. Roll the large gear forward and observe a small amount of filament extruding from the bottom. Wipe off and clear away any extruded filament that is on the print bed or hanging from the extruder nozzle. Step 4. Home the printer and check the nozzle to bed clearance. Using the rotary knob on the printer LCD, choose Movement Auto Home. Observe the distance the nozzle sits from the print bed. This distance should be roughly the thickness of a sheet of paper. If the distance is too small, unscrew the black thumb screw located on the left side of the printer. If the distance is too large, screw in the black thumb screw, adjusting it in half-turn increments. Then rehome and recheck the clearance. Step 5. Make sure the print bed is level. Using the rotary knob of the printer LCD, choose Movement X-axis and move the print head to the full X position and recheck the nozzle height above the bed. Adjust the bed up or down using the small 3mm socket head screws located at each corner of the bed. Proceed to measure and adjust the print head at the remaining corners, measuring the full Y full X axis and full Y minimum X corners. Step 6. Insert the SD card into the printer control module, being sure that the gold colored connector is facing you. Using the rotary knob, select Print from SD and your file name. As soon as the file is selected, the printer will begin to print. If the printer is completely warmed up, it will start to move immediately. Otherwise, it will finish heating before moving to home and proceeding to print.